Forests are our home. We share it with the most diverse and beautiful plants and animals. There are millions of us around the world calling forests home. Forests and forest species provide for us. They give us everything we need, from food to fresh water and medicines. For thousands of years, forests have cared for us, and we have learned to care for them too. Join us in caring for our homes and all the communities who rely on them. This World Wildlife Day, let us celebrate forests, forest species, and the countless human livelihoods they sustain.